स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाक लागून पणजेतलो दर एक रस्तो खणून दवरला देखून ह्या कामाचो लोकांक त्रास जाता। पूण अशें जरी असले तरी हे काम चालूच दवरचें पडटलें अशें महसूल मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात सांगता। ह्या मुद्द्याचेर चर्चा करपा खातीर आमी मुखेलमंत्र्याची भेट घेतले। परिशदेक येवपी मानेस्त काय पणजेच्या भितरल्या रस्त्या वयल्यान वचचे ना देखून G20 परिशद चालू आसतना लेगीत स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम सुरूच दवरचें अशी मागणी मुखेलमंत्र्यां कडेन करतले अशें बाबूश सांगता।
Issues mean basically we just took a note on the time frame when this all this different works which has been carried out, when it will be basically completed. Now, as far as that G20 also is concerned, I think some works they need to stop, but we will be going and meeting the Honorable Chief Minister basically to tell him basically because we will face a problem if this work is stopped. You understand? The route where this G20 leaders are going through, I don't think they are not going through the interior part of the city. So I'm saying at least those works should be carried out. No. Now different deadlines has been given. As far as most of the works will be completed by March 31st. But as far as they said that they would stop the work by March 31st because of G20. That we are basically going to impress upon the Chief Minister, saying these works should basically not be stopped. We can put some screen or something. In fact, if any delegates are passing by, if it is basically if it looks shabby, they can just put it or screen it off. There are different agencies. There is PWD, there is Sewage Department, and there is Smart City. So there are different agencies basically which are carrying on the work. See, all these works have been done under Smart City. Okay, Smart City is a head, but it has been given to different departments basically. Some work is been given to PWD, some are given to Sewage Department, some are Electricity Department. So this is and some Smart City itself are basically they have tendered the work.